YummySounds.com layout track.
Yo, what up, Profit Gang? This is J Profit FX right here. So welcome back to my YouTube video. Today's episode, I'm just going to give you guys a trade recap on Eurusd, which I actually did take. Right. So this week on Eurusd, I was able to be very fractal in the market, because that's just one particular thing that you need to do as a smart money trader. You need to be fractal in the market. Being fractal is just how to do it, dealing with a lot of confirmation in the market before you take any single trade or opportunity you see in the market, right? It mustn't be that you must trade every day in the market. All you have to do is just to look out for the best opportunity and execute your position. Yeah, so if you've not followed me on Instagram, right, quickly head on to Instagram and follow me at mj821812. Follow me up on Instagram as I update you guys on my journey as a forex trader and 2 years of profitability. Yeah, so let's keep counting, let's keep that counting. Yeah, so I'm just going to go over to the chart and I'm going to walk you through the Eurusd trade I took personally on my account, which is a trade of 1:7 hour. Right now as I'm talking to you, the trade is running 1:7 hour. All right, what is the trade I'm talking about? Right, on Eurusd, right, let's start from the 4 hours time frame and build the structures down to a lower time frame. Very important. Now on higher time frame on Eurusd, right, we can simply see that we are in a ranging market on Eurusd. There's a whole lot of range right here on Eurusd, right? Okay, so after this range right now, I literally had to go down to 1 hour time frame. That was the first thing I spotted out, that we are currently in a range. All right, so here, take a look right here. You have this inner structure right here, which the market literally took out. That's a liquidity sweep. The market swept out its equal highs right here, printed a high and then dropped. Right after the market dropped, what can we notice? We notice that the market broke a structure. Right, this is a major structure, sorry, this is a substructure, not a major structure. Right, so after the market broke this substructure right here, which is break of structure I have here, this is the major structure. Right, this is the major structural low in the market. Right, but we just got a substructural break in the market. So after that, I literally have to now look out for selling opportunities in the market. Yeah, that was just literally what happened in the market on Eurusd, I mean to say. Right, so now at this point, we can see after market broke that structure, the market went up and created and left out this high, right? And you can see the market sold off imbalance right here, which literally happens most of the times in the market, where the market will sell off imbalance, right? It literally happens most of the times in the market. We have the market to sell off 50% of the imbalance price area. All right, as in this case right here, we have here market sold off imbalance, which in future we serve as liquidity area. Yeah, so after that happened, we can see the market sold off with huge pricing efficiency or imbalance, right? Which after that market cleared in this liquidity area. We can have this nice area of liquidity right here, which is our area of trendline liquidity down below. So if I shift down to 30 minutes time frame, let's get a clear view of the market. So on 30 minutes time frame right here, now the next thing left for me is to now to spot out my areas of interest, the areas I'm looking to take out trade. So I've seen that market sold off pricing efficiency right here. 50% of the pricing efficiency broke a substructure, like I showed you guys, sorry, cleared in liquidity right here. So the market started pulling up just to close up this pricing efficiency here, and now this is where people literally got trapped in this Eurusd. I believe some people took loss on Eurusd because of this. So we have this pricing efficiency here. Yeah, it was very obvious that that's a priced inefficient area. That's my imbalance right there. Okay, so now the next thing people literally will do is to mark out this area. Yes, I believe that's a nice area to mark out as your area of supply, but you have to look out for different zones in the market, because right now as I'm looking at the market, we have, first of all, we have an area of liquidity, and then we have another priced inefficient area. What's this area I'm talking about? This nice area of equal highs right here. This is another high of price liquidity. As you can see, this is an area of liquidity right here. After that, since we've seen, we now have to come into this nice area of supply. So I'm just going to use my replay tool, and I'm just going to show you guys how I was able to get the trade on Eurusd running over 1:7 hour right now. So I'm just going to take this out. Now, people that literally got trapped in this market here, people that literally got trapped in Euro USD sell market because they wanted to what? Sell the market off this imbalanced area right here first. Alright, but because I see there's an area of liquidity right here and we still have an area of what? Supply above. Now we literally want to take the extreme what? Block in the market. We literally want to take the extreme block in the market rather than what? The normal block in the market. Okay, rather than the normal block in the market. So this is the extreme block that I have here. As you can see, if I mark that very correctly, this is my extreme block with what? Pricing efficiency on it, as you can see. So these are things I have to cater for. These are things I have to look out for in the market. Now let's play the market and you see how the market played out on the first POI. As you can see, the market got rid of the first POI because of what? We have an area of liquidity and inefficiency here, which we know that when we have such things in the market will literally want to take out those pricing efficiency and liquidity as well. Okay, so now what I did was that I went down to like 10 minutes time frame. Sorry, let me go to 15 first. Right now there's something called textbook setup. Now this setup right here is a very textbook setup. Why is it a textbook setup? We can literally see that market engineered liquidity below my POI. After engineering the liquidity, it set out something that looks like an inducement, which is this first POI, right, which looks as an inducement, right, for people that want to sell early enough. So me, I focus on this extreme POI right here. All right, so I would have wanted to go aggressive right here, which knowing quite fully well that if market taps into this POI, right, if it respects this POI, I'll be in massive profit. Yeah, that was my point, because what? This is the extreme part of the market whereby if it breaks this area of supply, we are heading what? Up. The market will start going up, right? So that was my plan. That was what I had on Euro USD that I wanted to do. But because my style of trading is actually being fractal, I deal with confirmation a lot. So I have to watch out for this confirmation before I can be able to take what? Any trade. Now let me show you what I did on Euro USD that was able to get me a trade of 1:7 hour today. So as Euro USD tapped into this what? POI, or this area of supply, I went down to lower time frame. Now I literally went down to 3 minutes time frame. Now this was what I did on 3 minutes time frame, rather on 1 minute time frame, sorry, because that was the place I first started building my structures, right? So on 1 minute time frame, so this was what I did. I literally had to deal with what? Major structures in the market. What is the major structure that I was looking at on Euro USD right now? This is a major structure for me. This is a major structural break. This is a higher low point. This is a higher high, higher low, higher high. So this seems like a nice area of demand, whereby if the market breaks an area of demand, the next thing that takes over is the area of supply. So I had this marked out as well, my major structural point. Okay, that's my what? Change of character. Okay, so after that, the next thing I had to do now is, where can we see price inefficiency? This is a nice price inefficiency right here. All these areas are price efficient apart from here, and we can see an area of liquidity as well engineered above it. You can see this nice area of liquidity. You have that nice area of liquidity right there. So this was what I did. Let me play the market further to make sure that I have a break of this what? Low. Right, I want to see the market have a break of this low before I can actually look at that POI to take any trade from there. All right, so let me play the market further. Okay, so the market have taken out this low. That's extra confirmation for me. That's a break of structure showing what? Continuation to the downside. Showing what? Continuation to the downside for me. So I have my BOS right there. So I'm just going to mark out this nice area of what? Here as my entry point, 1 minute entry point. So I want the market to take out, sweep out liquidity, tap me in, and I'll go in forward a nice sell. That was my what? Bias and my analysis on Euro USD. So I have this nice area set right here, and let's see. My SL was just 4 pips, 3.9. 4 pips right there. So let's play the market and let's see what market did later on. So Euro USD kind of took a long time, but finally after everything we came out what profitable on that trade. As you can see, let me pause it out and extend my watts to my tools. So this was what happened on Euro USD. As you can see, market tapped me in on Euro USD, and this was how what the trade went through, guys. Okay, so this is the current market price action on Euro USD right now. All right, so let's go to like 5-minute time frame. Okay, so this is the what current price on Euro USD at the moment. As you can see, this is a nice trade of what 1:what. Okay, I remember I actually went 50% of this price right here. I remember that was what made it 1:7. Yeah, so this is the what the current price on Euro USD at the moment. This is what we have on Euro USD at the moment. Okay, so this is it, right? So if you're actually in for mentorship, right, if you still want me to like show you how I do these things, being fractal in the market, you can see market dropped further as I was doing this thing here. Market went down further, so currently running 1:9 hour massive. So let me show you another trade I'm onto in the market. I'm actually into Euro CHF, but the breakdown on Euro CHF will definitely come in later on. Let me see Euro CHF. Okay, this is Euro CHF right here. So the breakdown of Euro CHF definitely come in later on. Okay, this is the record. Sorry. Currently in a trade on Euro CHF, which you guys can literally see on my Instagram page where I posted it. So this is a trade on Euro CHF, same type of entry, fractal, being fractal in the market, 1-minute time frame execution. You have to look out for those confirmation before you can take a trade. So my take profit on Euro CHF is literally this nice area of liquidity here, which we definitely see in the later midnight or tomorrow morning. Yeah, so the profit FX here signing out.